So let's practice on how do we add a new account. As you can see here on the right side, we have this new button. So we are inside our clients, right? Inside the client, we're going to go to here, new button, and we're coming here. Let's choose bank account as the type. And what we're doing to do is we're choosing bank account, and then there's different you can have checking, you can have money marking for bank under your bank as your main account type, main account. You can have sub accounts. So we already had put in bank as your main one. So what you do is you put in here the bank account. So if you want to add sub accounts to your bank account, or sub accounts for your account type, for example, cash on hand. You have cash on hand is your detail type, right? Now let's assume we have several stores in different states. We have stores in New York, we have stores in you have stores in New York, we have stores in Boston, we have LA, and you have Miami, and so on. So I'm going to come here. Account type is bank. Detail type is cash on hand, which is, for example, if you have a store, people come in and pay cash for your items, and some people pay credit cards. Or if you are a doctor's office, patients come in, sometimes they pay with credit card and sometimes they pay with cash. Sometimes they call it also petty cash. So I can say petty cash is the description, or cash collected at the store. We can say cash collected, make sure I'm not misspelling it, collected at the store. Okay, and for the name, let's say we have different stores. So let's say we have a store in New York City or in Thornwood. So we're gonna say store in Thornwood. Thornwood. Okay, now since this is just one of the stores that we have that we're taking cash on, so we're collecting cash from different accounts, this will become a sub account. Now we have to figure out sub account of what.